Hi guys, Chef Redbeard here with Dherbs Kitchen. Today we are making vegan sushi or raw sushi or a raw roll that resembles sushi. Either way, it's going to be delicious, fun, and we're going to show you how to do it. We're going to start with 1 cup of soaked almonds. These have been soaking overnight. You're familiar with how to do that. Into our food processor. We're making a rice. This is going to be the base, so to speak, of this maki roll, this sushi roll. To the rice, we're going to add carrots. So these are 2 carrots peeled and just diced to help process in the food processor. So our rice is going to consist of the base of the soaked almonds and the carrots. Now we want to add some aromatics to that rice. Again, we're making this raw sushi type thing. So I have some fresh ginger. This is about 1 finger knuckle. And when I say that, in the cube of ginger, 1 knuckle, about 1 inch, peeled, diced up. I have 1 clove of garlic. The juice from 1 lemon. 2 tablespoons of tahini. This is going to give us a little binder. Also some rich sesame flavor that'll go delicious. And what we're trying to do here. And lastly, coconut amino acids. It's going to bring that salty richness that we're looking for when we have these type of wraps. Into the food processor, you want to keep an eye on it. We're looking for a sandy, almost rice-like consistency. So we're going to give this a pulse. Just until it starts to come together. Perfection. So again, this is what I'm looking for. A granular rice type of texture. And now, the fun part. I have here a nori wrap. You've probably seen this in the grocery store. It's probably cut in the smaller squares and you eat them for snacks. It's delicious. To our wraps, we're gonna add, and these are optional of course, you wanna add some fat. We have avocado, some crunch, we have some green bell pepper, some cucumber, and some alfalfa sprouts. With the nori paper, depending on how it is, as you can see it ripped there, it's not a problem. We can easily fix that with some water. You just want to wet with your fingertips, and we can make it easy. Thank you, Vinny. So about just a little bit of water, just to make it pliable. Just to make it pliable. Boom. And I'm going to go about 2 inches up from the edge away from me. That's about middle of your finger. Each line in your finger is about 1 inch, give or take. And again, we're not trying to overstuff this. This is not a burrito, although you could make a burrito out of this. We're making little bite-size, again, maki or sushi wraps, not a burrito. So, a moderate amount of the rice in a rectangular form. We're kind of just boxing it in, knowing how much space we have to work with. So I'll do a little sliced avo. Perfect. And then maybe on the back side, closer to you, some green bell pepper. And closer to me, a little cucumber, just 3 pieces. And a little falf. Right on the top. Now I'm going to take closest to me, pinching and pressing down, pulling closer to you, back to me, rolling into you, See how this works? And I'm pressing as I'm rolling to get an even all around roll. Perfect. Whatever's hanging out on the end, we don't necessarily care about that. That'll be for us to snack. I just want to make sure it's sealed. And again, I'm wetting the knife so that it does not puncture our nori paper. Bow. Bow. Guys, I'm doing this right here in front of you. You can do it too. I told you that is for us. Look at this. Look at, oops. Bow, bow, bow. Isn't this delicious? This is what you guys order on these takeout apps. You spend exorbitant amounts of money where you can quickly and easily do this with a little bit of preparation ahead of time. Let me just clean this up so you can really see what it is that we're doing here. We just made raw sushi. It's carrots, it's soaked almonds, it's the ingredients that you probably already have in your refrigerator: cucumber, avocado, green bell peppers. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Click the little bell icon in the corner. Follow me, www.dherbs.com/Chef Redbeard. Who knew?